Hello everyone, the Duke here. Are you looking to spice up your business card game? Well, look no further than the dot card. Now, I had seen this product on Instagram, which is kind of surprising considering that Instagram is a goldmine for scams and other dubious products. However, I felt that there was something, well, unscammy about this according to some reviews online. I didn't make the plunge until a friend decided to go with me because the card is normally $20 plus around $5 for shipping. However, they had a buy one, get one 50% off. So instead of being around 25 bucks, it was 16 for me and him, so it was a much better deal. It took about 2 weeks to ship the card and I was very pleasantly surprised. Now, the way the card works is essentially it has an NFC chip and a barcode. If you have a phone that has an NFC chip, you bring it near to it, it simply brings up a prompt and it takes you to your profile. Similarly, if you don't have a chip, you can just scan the barcode and it takes you to your site, which is hosted on dot.cards, which is basically, this is where you can customize your profile and see other people's profiles only if you have their card. Now, even if you don't have a card, you can go ahead and set up a profile here. You set up a username, go ahead and get an email, password, and then you can go ahead and add all sorts of social things here. You can either set a public or private profile, which I'm assuming a public profile can be indexed by search engines while a private one cannot. I'm not exactly sure about that. However, the process is extremely easy. Then, once you get your card in, you simply scan it, log in with your account, and voila, it has been connected to your account. And, well, that's basically it. The whole process is extremely easy. I was kind of surprised. Customization is nice. You can have a profile and a background, which I believe can be a GIF, or GIF, however you pronounce it. You can set up a ton of different social media sites. Now, something to note with YouTube.com is it says it wants your user ID. Now, I have a custom YouTube ID because I can't remember what the requirements are, but essentially right here, if you go to like your videos on your channel, see this link right here, you copy that and then you paste that in, and that will work because it already fills in the https youtube.com. You just have to put in your profile because otherwise it'll have twice youtube.com/youtube.com, and of course the link won't work. Just a little helpful note. Honestly, I really can't say too much with this card because it works surprisingly well. There's 4 different colors, I think. There's black, green, blue, and red. I decided to go for green because, come on, it's the best color. Something you might want to think about to spice up this card is to get a CU covers, or cuckoo covers. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I've had a lot of luck with those on my credit card, and then, well, hey, I think it looked really good on here, especially because there's no chip on here, so you could have an entire image displayed on your card. I'm very pleased with this product, and honestly, if you're looking for something to push your business card into the 22nd century, I guess, I'd recommend checking out dot.cards. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off.